So today we are going to talk about Anviz FaceDeep 3 series, that is our smart facial recognition terminal. I'll be talking a bit about Anviz, then I'll be introducing the FaceDeep 3 series, also CrossChex, that is our software, and why FaceDeep 3 series. Also, we'll be having a question and answer session and a prize winning. And also, I'll be featuring some of the case studies that we've done with Anviz FaceDeep 3 series. Today, we are going to have, if we are able to reach 20 audiences, we'll be having a lucky draw for one device, that is FaceDeep 3, and we'll be providing a FaceDeep 3 device free to the lucky winner. Also, we have another feature today is that from our partner, that if you order a FaceDeep 3 today, we'll be getting 20% discount, and you have to just mention on the coupon Watstelecom FaceDeep 3, and you'll be receiving 20% off on your purchase of the FaceDeep 3 series. Moving forward, I'll be starting with about an introduction about Anviz. So Anviz, so about Anviz at a glance. So Anviz is a global leader in the smart security industry. Anviz has been the world's leading provider of biometrics, video surveillance, smart intelligent home, and smart solutions. Below, you can see that we have the few pictures. The first one is our China office. The second one is the USA North American sales office. Third one is our manufacturing base. That is a 50,000 square meter manufacturing base. These are few of the milestones of Anviz from the year 2005 until 2020. And you can see every few years, Anviz has added a new device or a new product to its milestones. Today, we'll be talking about Anviz AI-based solutions. Also here, you can see that Anviz is globally spread around the globe with multiple number of trusted partners. We have a wide range of distributors, system integrators, solution providers, and resellers. Talking about Anviz product line, as you can see, we are not only focused on the access control and time attendance management solution, but also we have our own smart surveillance management solutions. In case you're interested in knowing more about these products, or you have a requirement for a surveillance product, please contact our partner to know more about these devices. Also, you can find the details on our website. So speaking about FaceDeep 3 series, first, why the face recognition devices? This is a survey that was conducted on the global face recognition market. So as per the survey, it is expected that the face recognition market would be increasing from 3.8 billion in 2020 to 8.5 billion by 2025. So there is a demand and request for this product in the market. That is the reason with Anviz partners, we decided to come up with few of the face recognition terminals. These are few of the Anviz face recognition terminals that we have at the moment. These devices are all have a AI deep learning engine. Also, they process 3D face live detection. They work very well in various conditions. They all support cloud. Also, we have an optional temperature screening feature and speed recognition. As you can see that we have different ranges of FaceDeep series depending upon W3 up to FaceDeep 5. But today we'll be talking about the FaceDeep 3 series, that is FaceDeep 3 and FaceDeep 3 IRT. Why contactless devices? With the pandemic, there was a great request for contactless devices, and that's when Anviz came up with the series of contactless terminals, including the FaceDeep series. Talking more about the device, here we're going to talk about the CPU. So the device is actually based on the new Linux CPU. It has a dual core 1.0 gigahertz CPU, also which helps with the facial recognition for 0.3 seconds. The device is also equipped by Anviz BioNano, that is the Anviz AI deep learning algorithm that is inspired by the human brain, which helps with the faster recognition of the device. The device is widely adaptable to various conditions. That is, The device would be able to register you irrespective of your ethnicity, of skin color. The device would still be able to register you. And also after that, the device would be able to recognize you in case you come up with certain changes, like change in a hairstyle, you grow beard, you wear glasses. If you're registered with the mask, the device would still be able to recognize you with the mask also. So the device works very well in all these different conditions. The device also has an inbuilt camera, that is the IR camera, and the visual VIR camera, that is the infrared camera and the visual camera. This actually helps with the access for fake requests. So in case somebody is using a picture or a video to gain access, the device would be able to recognize it as fake and deny the access. The face recognition that works in any environment. Also, you can see that the device is actually has two LED lights, which is automatically adaptable to the environment. So in case there's darkness, the device would automatically illuminate the light and would help you with the recognition. These are some of the extensive features the device has. The device has an Ethernet. It also has a relay. It supports RS485, vegan output, and also the USB. Employee health management screening. So device has the FaceDeep 3 has the IRT version, which supports temperature screening. You have to be very careful that this is actually an optional feature, and only FaceDeep 3 series IRT has this version, not the regular FaceDeep 3. So this helps you measure your temperature using your palm. As you can see in the picture, the distance are around 20 millimeter. The device is very easy to install. It comes with all the installation facilities, and you can easily install the device. You can see the wall mounting and the gang box installation. It is like a DIY. You can easily install the devices. Also, the device comes with multiple mounting brackets. Depends on your requirement where you need to install the device. It has a station mount, a turnstile mount, a desktop mount. So wherever you're positioned to this device, you can use the mount brackets according to that. Moving next, we're talking about some of the specifications of the device. So currently we have FaceDeep 3, FaceDeep 3 Pro, and FaceDeep 3 4G, and also FaceDeep 3 QR. The QR version is for the EU region, but the other three would be useful for the Middle East and Africa region. These features are also available on our website, or else you can also contact our partners to know more about each of the device features. The devices also supports MyFair and EM cards. And as mentioned earlier, only the IRT version has the temperature detection, not all devices. Moving forward, I'll be talking about the configuration. That is the device, how it connects to our software and also to the door. So for the first image, you can see that the device is connected via Wi-Fi to the door. The second one is the device is connected to the door by using a controller. This is more secure way. That is, in case there's an intruder and tries to break in the device, the controller would still keep the doors locked in and nobody would be able to enter. Third one is with the 4G feature, the device would be able to connect and work with our web browser. And all these devices will be connected to our CrossChex cloud, that is, and our CrossChex standard, that is our software. Moving forward, and before speaking more about our products and software, I would like to remind you again about the 20% off that you will be getting today in case you place an order with our partner on the FaceDeep 3 series. So as soon as we finish this webinar, I'm expecting you to place an order with our partner so you enjoy the 20% off today. Moving forward, talking about CrossChex. So what is CrossChex? CrossChex is actually a professional access control and time attendance management solution that is used for Anviz devices. So currently we have the version that is the CrossChex standard, which is the desktop access control and time attendance software. It has all the basic needs that a software needs. For example, it is very good at device management. It has access control management, shift management, report management. That is a device, that is, the software is very user-friendly and has been built up in a way that meets all the requirements for a basic time and attendance software. Moving next, we're talking about the CrossChex Cloud, which is a super quick setup CrossChex Cloud. This is basically you can manage your device and attendance on cloud without any software. You just need to open a web browser and you can able to get all the details you need. You can access it from anywhere, anytime, and from any computer. Also, you can easily track the employees from any locations to see where the employees have clocked in and clocked out. Also, you'll be able to view the reports of the employees, the time attendance, and the health, and that is the temperature detection that feature we have. So you'll be able to see if everything is going normal at your workplace, even if you are not in your office. Also, you can assign shifts as per your convenience using the cloud application. Some of the added feature about this one is that it's the best in class for scheduling. That is, it is very easy to schedule. You can have different schedules, different time schedules for your employees. Also, it has a very powerful dashboard that is easily available with everything. So it's easy for you to find what you need to look for. It has a high impact reporting. That means it will be able to provide you the most efficient reporting on your time and attendance. Also, it is very easy for the user management and the device management. That means it is easy to add, delete, edit devices or employees into the software. This is as easy as 1, 2, 3, as we say. You can clock in via FaceDeep 3. The data would be automatically stored onto the cloud, and you can view the reports and data from anywhere you want using when you have a Wi-Fi connection. Next, we're talking about the CrossChex Cloud upgraded version. This is something that we considered important for the employees and not only for the employer. So with this, you can see that the employees can log in from anywhere they want. The employees can see their own attendance date and the shift schedule. So it is not that they have to come and see it from the workplace. They can check on their phone or their computer and they can see all the required details. Also, they will be able to submit applications, for example, a half day or a sick leave or overtime. They would be able to apply using their own account. They can apply for this thing. Also, this would be another thing where they can see their reports, their weekly reports or monthly reports to see their attendance and everything from the system. Next, we're coming up with a new feature that is a CrossChex Cloud application. This would be coming most probably by the end of October. This is the smart mobile punching and tracking. It helps with easy access to timesheets and also easy to check your shift and submit requests. In the same way we used to do on to the CrossChex Cloud. This would be an app that you would be able to use on your phone, and it will be much easier for the employees and also for the admins to work with. I hope I was clear until now. If you have any questions, you can please ask in the QA box. My colleague Johnny would be replying back to it. So moving forward, why FaceDeep 3 series? Because it works very well in different scenarios. So you can see here, this is the example of Face showing how it works in a office environment where you can actually have your attendance taken in, check and have an access. Secondly, you do not need a card or use your finger for anything. Your face is your key. Just walk into the device, you'll be scanned and you will be provided access. At the same time, to clock in for your time attendance, you just have to walk past, look at the device where it is placed. Because of the fast recognition speed that is less than 0.3 seconds, you would be recognized immediately and you would be clocked in at work and you can continue with your day. Also depends on where you want to place the devices. As I mentioned, we have different kinds of brackets, mounting brackets. So for example, if it's in a turnstile or gates, the added feature, as I mentioned about the detect the body temperature, during the COVID, we had a requirement for the temperature detection, and this device helps with that. You can go to the device, have your finger or palm face to it, and temperature would be shown. If you can have the settings set up. If your temperature is above the average, the device will raise an alarm and would not provide you access. Also, authentication on the bus. It is installed anywhere. That is because of the 4G feature that we have. The device can be installed anywhere. For example, school bus to keep your kids safe. You can actually have the temperature detector on before getting to the bus and reach safely to the school. Next would be the question and answer session. So these are some of the frequently asked questions. Can I manage multiple devices from different offices by the same platform? Yes, with CrossChex Cloud, you can manage devices from multiple locations. Second one, can I import users with their facial pictures? Yes, you can use good quality of pictures from your users' employees' faces. So you have to be very careful that you're using good quality of pictures. The FaceDeep 3 series, the FaceDeep 3 template is compatible with other products. Yes, the FaceDeep 3 series is compatible with all other Anviz current facial devices. Can I use it for visitor control? The FaceDeep 3 IRT version can be used to manage visitors by checking the mask and temperature. So this is a feature that we have, which is the visitor mode, in which you can actually set the devices to provide access to visitors to make sure they're wearing a mask and the temperatures are within the limit. Then they would be provided an access. If not, the device would be raising an alarm and stopping the person from entering the premises. So if you have any other questions, we can proceed further. I suppose everything is clear and there are no other questions. Unfortunately, we do not have the number of 20 attendees today, so we won't be able to do the lucky draw, but you still have a chance to have the 20% offer. So please contact our partner and place your order today, and you will be getting 20% off on your purchases on the device. I'll let you know why you need to place the orders. There are some added features that you're going to get today. So the extra prices. So in case you're able to place an order of 50 pieces within a month, we'll be providing Apple AirPods. Also, if you're able to place an order of about 100 units of FaceDeep 3 series, we'll be providing an Apple iPad Air. So hurry up and place your orders, please, so that you can win more exciting prices from Anviz and also from our partner, Watstelecom. These are some of the case studies that I would like to provide on that have used FaceDeep 3 series. The first one is a case study of a solution provider. We've used different scenarios to explain how it works. So the first one is about the CrossChex Cloud and the FaceDeep 3 that was used by one of our solution provider. The second one is with the case study with the system integrator that used FaceDeep 3 that works with the Canon printer. So you can see that the FaceDeep 3 was installed onto the Canon printer, and we had to integrate with the Canon printer, and only with the facial recognition, the devices, they would be able to take printouts. The third one is about an online case study where a US retailer bought our devices, and his case study and his reviews about how the devices helped him with everything. Other than the devices and the software part, what Anviz provides you more. So you have a support of an amazing team. That is, we actually provide you 3 years warranty with the FaceDeep terminals. So this is a very good feature. So with your customers also, you are able to do this because you're getting 3 years warranty period with this. Also, special offers on registered project. In case you have a project, you can contact our partner and you can register the product on our website, which helps you to secure the project. No one else would be able to quote for Anviz devices on this particular project. We'll be protecting the project for you. Also, we have a global customer service in English and Spanish that is available 24/5. And also, we have a wide range of well-collaborated partners like Watstelecom that would help you with your queries and your inquiries. Also, we have our Anviz community. You're welcome to join our Anviz community. You can contact our partner for more details, and we'll be sending you a link to join our Anviz community. So for today, that's all. I'm hoping you all are satisfied with the webinar and the introduction of the FaceDeep series. Waiting for you to place an order with our partner for today. Thank you, everyone. Please let me know if you have any queries. I'm still available here. I assume we are good for now and there is no questions. If you have any questions, please send an email to Watstelecom. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day. We wait 3 minutes. In case there's some